I've been busting my brain to figure out what a terrarium, not a terrarium is. But instead of Googling it, which I did, I'll allow the CEO their pieces, Shaneka Peat, to show and tell us. I'm already showing you. So.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Shaneka.
Thanks for having me.
You have some really, really beautiful pieces here, and obviously you're going to tell me how you did that because it looked kind of like magic. But let me know, first of all, what is a terrarium?
Okay, they are defined as some glass containers that contain soil and real plants. But I added a twist to it. I'm not really sure what I would call it, so I just call them terrariums with a twist.
Okay.
So I just use sand art and miniature items to create different themes. So it can be for a birthday, or if you're a pharmacist, I've made a pharmacist one with some miniature items to represent, you know, a pharmacist.
Yeah. So you just have specific decorations in glass containers with your plants.
Yeah, but the thing with these, they are actually artificial plants because I don't like to take care of real plants.
Oh boy.
And I know a lot of people don't like to do it either, so I figured.
But this one is real though.
Yeah,
Chinese
this was
bamboo.
the only. This is a funny story because I bought those online thinking that they were fake.
Okay.
And they came real.
And they came real.
Wow.
So I
okay.
just had them around the house. I use them for some gifts and stuff like that. Because I don't want to introduce my customers to real plants because I won't be able to sustain it.
Okay.
So the idea came just you're sitting on that tree, or?
No, it's actually this lady on Instagram. Her name is
Tell
Odetta.
you. He said Pinterest. but okay.
She was making this big thing one day with some colorful stones and plants. I was like, wow, this is so cute. I'm going to make one for myself. So I started to order some stuff online, and then me and my friend started talking. I was like, I think people would like this. So I started to look on Pinterest because I didn't know the name of it. So I found the name. I was like, okay, it's close to a terrarium. Let me just do it with a twist, and then
Ta-da.
How long does it take to?
if I'm in the mood, like maybe an hour.
Wow.
And if you're not in the mood?
But sometimes it's like a lot of trial and error.
Oh, that was cute.
So I'll do it and it's spoiled.
And then you have to do it over.
So it's a lot of trial and error, but it's fun.
All right, so these that you have on display here, the flowers we know aren't real, but each of these are very decorated. Like this one's obviously for Christmas because there's Santa in it and there's red and white sand. This one
is for a friend of mine, Mr. Breakfast. I think
those two Buddhas?
He's been on the show because
so much.
his decor at his restaurant is black and white and blue and yellow. So hence why.
So just did that. And this one is just very girly.
Tinkerbell, yeah, I have a lot of Tinkerbells.
And then of course we have the one.
And then this one is just like a little proposal thing.
It's a proposal?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, I never see the $2 them.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Oh.
So it's like a little proposal. So all you have to do is just let me know what you're looking for, and I can just create.
You can imagine if you want to marry somebody, you can just give them this as a Christmas present. And
right?
And then put the ring in there.
That's a perfect idea, actually.
That's so cute. Oh, that's cute. All right. So I noticed that you brought lots of supplies with you. Like you're going to show us how to make one.
Because it's the Christmas season, so I've been working on these. There are some ornaments, but these these designs are actually slime and
slime as in kiddie slime.
Yeah, slime and glitter and crystals and gold flakes.
Very nice.
So, but they move around.
Yes, when it's not so cold.
So that's what we're making today?
Yeah, we will do that. And this one
is so
has
cool.
some people inside, so it's like a
New Year party.
Yes, you know, everybody's
There's a big
drunk.
bottle of wine,
So
everybody's drunk and drowning in liquor.
Out of it, yeah.
That's
Swimming
funny.
pool.
Right.
That's very funny.
So what we'll be doing though is with sand.
Okay,
Easier
so let
with
us
sand.
tell us what to do, and
So
we
you
shall
can-
get it done. Dwayne, here you go.
Thank you. So this is
The plastic
Ornament.
ornament
Right,
ball
the
thing.
ball.
ornaments.
The ball
So-
thing.
And then you'll just get a funnel. So you can have one. You can have one. And you'll just need a spoon. So you can choose what color you use. I think this one is a bit harder to work with because the grains are bigger. So I think we should just
It's
focus
supposed to
on
go all the
these
way
two.
in?
Yeah.
And then
so
what we do?
Well, it's not working.
just use your funnel.
And then pick up
inside.
some of this something.
Right. Just
And
take
then just
some
throw
off.
him in.
Throw them in. Yep.
But how do you get it to make all those pretty things that you
And then you can just add some white to it. It's all about what you want.
So, I get to make the pretty designs. I guess you're not
The,
showing
the,
us that 'cause
the,
you
the
want
pretty
us to buy
designs,
them.
no, but the pretty designs are easier to make in those.
Oh,
With this,
than
because you're
these.
using the funnel, it's harder to control. So
Okay.
these, you can just get stripes. So you just do stripes. Right.
If you mix it up, it's not going to work.
Don't worry
because-
yourself.
Oh, he wants to create like a... Okay.
Thank you.
Okay,
Like a what?
I know that vibe.
Oh, me not
Okay.
get that vibe there.
Some more white. So how do
And-
people get in touch with you to have, yeah.
Well,
make
I'm just on
something?
Instagram right now at TerrapicesJA, or you can email me at terrapicesja@hotmail.com.
It's working.
Yeah, so she's getting it.
And then, what else can we put in there?
All right, there's some. These are just if you want them to shake on the tree. These are bells.
Alright.
Okay.
So you ever been
And-
to a green or a meadow, and you see the green and you see the snow? This may I go for.
So the snow mix up inside there?
Yeah, the snow.
Okay.
There are crystals
See, what's
here
that yet?
and some glitter.
Okay, so we can
If
then,
you want to,
How put the people them in there?
you can't get no people in
you can just use this tweezer to put them
See,
inside.
she have people right there. so
Oh,
she
we
put
put
them in.
people in it?
I'm
If you
putting
want
them
to,
in it.
but with the sand, obviously they'd probably
Sink?
Yeah, they probably would. If you want to add some glitter, you can just throw it in the funnel like
Okay,
that.
throw it into the funnel?
Yeah.
Okay, this is my Christmas ball.
And then you can finish the sand art. You want a mushroom?
Want our people.
Or these are some tiny ones.
Oh yes.
These are
Wow!
so
And then-
some guys.
You know what? I wanted to ask you. How much does it cost to make one of these things?
Yes,
Okay,
how much does it
about-
cost to buy
Okay,
it? Not to bake it.
these-
She's not going to tell you how much it costs to make it.
These now, they're all different prices because they're customized.
Okay.
So I can give you like a
Ballpark.
A ballpark. So the proposal one here is 3,260. The one with the Christmas thing, it's like 2,435. The Mr. Breakfast is 3,995. The Tinkerbell is 2,490, and the Bamboo is 2,400.
Okay, so they're
So-
very affordable.
And then the ornaments are just, I think the most expensive one was the yellow one, and it's 1,575. The other ones are 600 or 750.
And these are pretty much for use as decor pieces
Decor.
like this because they're
Right.
kind of heavy to be hanging on the tree itself.
But they can go on the tree.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, when you close it, you'll see.
Dwayne, you gonna let me the tweezer anytime soon?
And you don't have to fill the jar, but if you shake it, then it would move.
Right.
And there are gold flakes here, if you want
I
to.
borrow some of them gold flakes.
Oi.
Do you think you
Oh
might want to use
okay.
you might want
It's
to use
alright.
the tweezer.
Him not have no tact me love. I saw the thing go and then people wonder why I beat him up.
You can use this to fix it.
Oh.
Yes.
But this is a very tedious thing to do,
It
but you
is.
seem
It's-
to
it's-
like it very much. So that's good. Okay, so we can. How long do we need to order to be able to order pieces from if we're gonna give them as gifts?
If once I have all the material, it's like 2 or 3 days.
Okay.
All right.
But if it's something that I have to order online, like sometimes people create some themes and I wouldn't have them on hand, so I'd have to order them online.
Ah!
You have to be patient.
Him sinking
Shouldn't have none
though.
of that.
Just flip it.
All right. So.
Oh, you want to close it?
Yeah. So they find you on Instagram.
Yeah.
All right. What's it again?
It's
Terrapieces.
TerrapicesJA on Instagram.
All right. So CEO of Terrapieces, Shaneka Peat.
Yes.
Sakina.
Okay, now?
Sorry, gotcha.
Me and
So-
the mushroom something
gotcha,
not
so-
gonna work.
gotcha.
Yay! It's snowing! Gold snow.
We'll be right back.
Okay.
Yeah. Food time after this. Is food after this? Yeah, food after this.
There you go.
I'm so caught up in this, like I'm not talking.
I'm putting this on the tree.
If
Oh,
it ever pop
well,
it down.
greetings across the world. My favorite thing to watch
Oh,
of all
yeah.
time. Love it. Love it.
Soon.
Greetings. Yeah. Greetings.
Sakina, I can hire Sakina.